àbí búrẹ́dì yìí ti gbogbo wa ní. Ó máa gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́ torí kò sí iṣẹ́ mìíràn tí a lè ṣe. Òṣì ò ṣe é fi ṣayé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀ ká fi mọ̀ ṣọ̀kan.
Mama good, níbẹ̀ lágbé ṣiṣẹ́ wa. Inú wọ́dù ara wáyà lábẹ́ flower mama good.
Ojo Master Baker is just like Nigeria. We have in our midst the non-Yoruba speaking tribe. We have Hausa and we have Igbos. So I want to tender apology for what you have been saying since when we started this program. For those of you that don't understand what they are saying, I want to assure you that all what they are saying is for the progress of you and me. I want to appreciate everybody that are on this. Particularly Mama Gold Flower Miller. We welcome them into our meet this morning, and we know their value, not even today, but long time ago. They are our friend in Ojo. My God says, a friend in need is a friend indeed. I want you to clap for Mama Gold for what they have done in Ojo. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ní agbára Ọlọ́run ilé iṣẹ́ yá máa lọ sókè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mò ń kí àwọn ẹ́sìkù láti state. We really don't know what people are doing. There is no human being without edge. And every other thing can be cut off. When the head is cut, that body becomes a dead body. Thank God for the restoration of the head of this association at the same level. And it happened like that, if not for the effort of Omago. We cannot forget and we will not forget. And the record is there forever for what they did. I want to let everyone know that no one cannot destroy house, but not everybody can build house. As far as what has happened recently concerned, for where it is right now, of which I believe is still going forward, all honor and glory belongs to God, of which our good chair out of you. They are the builder of this association. You are welcome to God today. And the ESCO, I pray the wisdom from above that will lead you to the promised land. God will lead to you. Looking you up on the ESCO. Lọ́la máa wà pẹ̀lú yín. Lọ́la máa kọ́ yín. Lọ́la dúró tì yín. Tí igi kan bá dá dúró, a lè gbébẹ̀ ní ikú. Nígbà tí igi bá so pọ̀ mọ́ra wọn, tó lọ wọn á ní igbó. It's because of who we have Ojo. And you are the one behind that Ojo. And even the seat I seated on today belongs to you. You willingly release for me. Torí pé ẹgbàá mi láàyè mo fi ń dòkú síbẹ̀, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ní àga ẹ̀yin ní Ọ̀yọ́, mo gbàdúrà ìfẹ́ tó ń gbilẹ̀ ní Ọ̀yọ́, Sátánì kò ní túká. Mo dúpẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín.
Sọ̀dẹ̀mọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pé gbogbo iṣẹ́ ló máa ní ìdí tí wọ́n fi tajà.
they all have their selling points. Some businesses they focus on what? The price, some quality, some quantity. But many years ago, gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ọ̀gá Mr. Gbega fi yé wa, so àwọn ọ̀gá kóra wọn jọ ṣe pé lè ṣe Mama Gold òun náà ló ṣe Supreme Flour. They have been in the business for so many years, since I think 1980 or so. Wọ́n wọ̀ pé kí ni táwọn baker really fẹ́ gan, Nigerian bakers kí ni táwọn really ní níbi iṣẹ́. Wọ́n realize pé àwọn baker fẹ́ iṣẹ́ náà lè ṣe tọ́kàn owó balẹ̀. Flour tí ò ní máa ṣe ṣégeṣége. So we have futures. And then we know we have different dimensions quality controls. We have raw material control, in-process control, and finished product control. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa quality final product wa quality bread wa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa kò ní dáa quality raw material tá a fi ṣe lọ. Quality bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti flour tí a fẹ́ fi ṣe bread. So kí wá làwọn ọ̀gá tó wà lára Mama Gold flour tí a sọ pé quality rẹ̀ ni the best. Lára flour and the protein, you know in meat they say we have protein. So what they use to classify wheat globally is the protein content of the wheat. So ara ọkọ protein wheat yẹn náà ṣe pé ní náà pè ní gluten. So gluten ló máa differentiate the kind of wheat. Actually we have different kind of flour. We have wheat being used for bread flour. We have wheat being used for cake flour. We have wheat being used for pasta flour. So the one they use for bread flour, we call it hard wheat. What do I call it? Hard wheat. It's being used for what? Bread flour. The one they are using for cake and biscuits, they call it what? Soft wheat. While the one they use for pasta is called what? Duro wheat. So we now use that of hard wheat. For you to have a very good bread flour, the protein content must not be less than 10%. Because the gluten performs 3 major functions in flour. Number 1, when you talk about the water absorption, bí flour ṣe máa ń gbomi sí, tẹ̀gbẹ́ flour bá fẹ́ gbomi, protein tó bá wà lára flour yóò determine bí gluten ẹ̀ bá ṣe pọ̀ sí, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni flour yóò ṣe kí ni yóò ṣe gbomi sí. Ara number 1 iṣẹ́ gluten nìyẹn. So the more the gluten in the flour, the more the water absorption. The second function of the gluten is the one that confers the shape of your bread. The bread is a man your rectangular shape when the shape as a result of what? The quality of the gluten. So the more the gluten content, the better the quality of your what? Of your bread flour. Why the top function is ṣàpẹ́ tí iṣẹ́ bá ti wú sókè tí ẹ̀ bá gúndò yẹn ní ìkànnà tí ó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ bá wálẹ̀. So nǹkan tí ò jẹ́ kátẹ́gùn wọn kó máa escape òun ni gluten òun ló máa ń di atẹ́gùn tó wà nínú búrẹ́dì tí búrẹ́dì fi máa ń wú. So bí tí gluten ò bá strong dáadáa ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ mi bá gbéṣẹ́ sínú oven àbí náà bá ti fi ṣe kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ máa wálẹ̀. So that is the top portion of gluten. It retains the carbon dioxide gas being produced during fermentation. Master bakers. So now in developing Mama Gold flour, the protein content is what? 30.3%. Our agreement with the government is 10% for general flour. And some of you notice in Nigeria bread industry, the flour with the best water absorption capacity is Mama Gold flour. The reason behind that because of the protein content. Because most other flour mills they don't produce flour of this high content of protein 13.3. Most of them means they are only to 10%. That's why Mama Gold flour can absorb more water than others. So another thing for me get too money and technically water absorption capacity. Only pé báwo ni flour ṣe lè gbomi sí. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ flour ni mi the maximum target tó mi wọ́n lè buy is 55%. The water absorption capacity of the flour is 55%. But we design Mama Gold to take up to 60%. Especially for people that are using what? Spiral mixer. Àwọn tó bá máa ń lo spiral mixer láti fi lọ ṣẹ́. Wọ́n tún wá lo ice block. Ṣẹ́ńtẹ́ máa ń lo omi tútù, ó máa ń jẹ́ kí iṣẹ́ tún gbomi sí. So Mama Gold flour lè gba 60%, that is up to 30 litres omi. Ju normal 25 litres tó bá lò rà. Àmọ́ èyí tí ò bá lo spiral mixer, ó lè gba tó bẹ̀rù. Ẹgbẹ́ wa lọ́rọ́ mi sí lọ́wọ́ àti wà á di pé àwọn Mama Gold tó bá àkókò abẹ́. then baker tí o bá tó fojú tuntun lọ ṣe iṣẹ́ yẹn ló ní kòmí dáadáa master baker. So yìí tá àwọn àjọba 50% gan lẹ́nu yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ bá wà ní olè 25 litres ní ìjọba lọ sí bára visa. So ara advantage tàbí sọ pé baker ẹni bí baker tó lo 30 litres or 29 dollar 28 litres àti tó lo 25 litres that is 3 kg difference. So tẹ́lá ta 1 kg ní 1,500 naira. That is 4,500 naira bọ̀ kéde ẹ̀ mọ̀ ṣe báàgì mẹ́wàá lójúmọ́ ó dé ló báyìí ó ní 45,000 naira in a day times 26 days in a month jẹ́ni pé ó ti pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ. So another thing mo fẹ́ kẹ́ túmọ̀ ní bread volume ní pé báwo ni iṣẹ́ ṣe máa ń kú sí. So by SOS standard bread volume target is 5,500 cubic centimeter but we designed Mamako flour to go as high as 6,060 cubic centimeter. Lẹ́yìn eléyìí I will show you the slide, the picture of Mamako flour, the volume of the bread. Then there is what we call shock test. Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn iṣẹ́ mi wà, ní wọ́n bá ń gbé iṣẹ́ lọ́ba ìjọba tó ṣe sínú oven, lẹ́bàá tẹ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, ní wọ́n bá gbé sínú báyìí, ní wọ́n bá jẹ́ ìjágun ní ìmọ̀lẹ̀ kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀, iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ máa wálẹ̀. So tolerance ìlú iṣẹ́ yìí dá. But wọ́n ti sẹ́ Mamako flour débi pé káwọn náà tó ta flour síta àti máa ń tẹ̀sí ẹ̀ nínú gbégbé lọ́dọ̀ wa. So shop test ẹ pé ká tó lóde a máa jẹ jí agolo ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ a máa gbé sí àgbàdo ẹ̀ máa ní bọ́ọ̀lù. Ẹ bá wo ṣẹ́yìn ní ìsìn drop test yẹn òun ní value 5,929 ẹ̀rí kó o fẹ́ fẹ́ close mọ́ èyí tí wọ́n jẹ díẹ̀ mẹ́lẹ̀ ó sọ pé ara flour ẹ̀ ṣe kéde ó báyà ó tolerate shock so that is number 2. So in order not to overclock this matter, let's move to the other slide. So ẹ wo picture of bread Mamako flour.